So today I'm going to show you these two tank models from Xcartoys. So this is the Tank 700 limited edition development mule, and this is the Tank 700 development mule. So is this a diecast limited edition, or is the real version of this one a limited edition? I think the real version is a limited edition. Both in a 1/64 scale. And yeah, like I said, Xcartoys, a very good diecast brand. They also collab with Pop Race. And I believe the reason for that is so that Pop Race can sell on the Chinese market. Very good decision. This is the barcode and article number from the normal. And this is the barcode and article number from the limited edition. Yeah, here we got some more text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it, and if you can read it. The mini car collection. I think it's an official licensed product because it's a Chinese off-road car, and Xcartoys is a Chinese brand. And maybe they don't care about official license in China. A lot of Chinese brands bring out Western cars without any license. Okay, let's start with this one, T234. Box package, I like that. Ooh, this is already looking very good, and I can already see that the interior is also fantastic, and it has a license plate. Yeah, I've said it many times that I think that Xcartoys is one of my favorite diecast brands, and this model is proving it again. The paint and the looks are phenomenal, and okay, it is a Chinese off-road car. Here we got a suspension, we got a brake disc and a brake claw, which stays in its position when you're rolling the wheels. Lanced front lights, so the license plate, I love that. That is sick. Do we have an opening part right here? No, we don't. Yeah, very cool rims. Then we go to the back again, license plate, spare tire. Whew, I love that paint. Lanced rear lights. But the cool thing about this car is the interior. Let's see if I can show you the interior. Because there you can see we got colored details. And I have to do it like this. So you can see the color details on the dashboard. Also the middle console. Can you see? That is fantastic. Fantastic seats also in the back. Ooh, a little bit too much light. There you can see the interior. I love that. For such a small car, the details are phenomenal. Very good rolling wheels also. Then we go to the base, metal base with lots of details. This car is amazing. Love it. Okay, let's have a look at the other version. So here it is, same rims, also suspension, brake disc, brake claw, side mirrors. This one has a different color interior. I like that because, let's be honest, they can choose to use the same interior. No, it's a different model, so we are using a different color interior. Chinese license plate. Nice grille, the logo. No opening part. Let's have a look. And again, colors. Let's focus on the interior. But my phone says no. I can do it like this. And then I'm going to use it like this. No, my phone doesn't want to focus. Oh, there we go. Well, a little bit. I can do it maybe like this. He's focusing on the window. But you can see it a little bit, right? Yeah. And also metal base. Do I have more tank models? Yes, I do. Oh, you want to see the difference between this one, between the limited edition? Well, the limited edition got a little bit more muscle. Practically the same, but this one is a little bit wider. He got this here on top, some sort of spoiler. And this here on the hood, air intake. Spoiler in the back. Yeah, this is also different right here. A license plate is in the middle. So there are a lot of differences here on this car. Base is the same. And also the interior color of the interior. This one is a little bit Bordeaux. And this one is a little bit, camel. Yes, I actually have a lot of other tank models. This is the Tank 300 Ranger. I was also very surprised in a positive way when I saw this model for the first time. I thought, whoa, the quality of this tank is phenomenal. Let's put some light on. First of all, you can see the suspension. I like that. Very good rolling wheels. Nice tires also. Again, we have a colored details. Can you see it? A little bit. No license plate here, just Tank 300 on it. But yeah, also perfect. Nice spare tire, sunroof, and also a metal base. Yes, I have a lot more tank models. I'm going to show you another one I have. So this is also a tank model. This is from a set, and there is another one from that set. You can watch the video on my YouTube channel. Very cool set, also from Xcartoys. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and let me know what you think about these two Xcartoy tanks, and what do you think about the brand Xcartoys? Fantastic quality. Have a nice day. Bye.